Can you see two beautiful birds, yellow birds? Very rare sight to be seen because they do not come very often here in this area, but they have made a little nest among the trees of this kaju tree or cashew nut tree. You can see two birds. A crow has come to eat the eggs of it, and you can see the fight. You can see the fight, and crow is being attacked by these two yellow birds to protect its eggs. I think that they have laid in their nest, which was built recently by them. You can see these birds are very aggressive in protecting their kids or the eggs, and it is shivering. The bird is shivering. You can see, and it's attacking the crow.